Hi, I'm T. Cooper. I'm a makeup artist, hairstylist, and co-founder of beauty and grooming company Metro Look. Today, I'm going to show you how to put curls in your hair using a bun. You can see that I've already parted my model's hair into 2 ponytails. Doesn't she look like a cute little schoolgirl? But these are going to be gorgeous curls in the morning. So what you do is you can part your hair into 2 ponytails, or you can do 4 if you want tighter curls. And you actually just twist the hair into a bun like so, from root to tip, and you wrap the hair around and make sure it's twisted. If any of it starts to unravel, you twist it all the way down because that's going to create those curls that you want. And then you take 2 pins and then you crisscross it. It doesn't matter if this is loose, you don't need to pin it down or anything. As long as it's still nice and twisted, it's going to create that nice ringlet curl shape that you want. And then we're going to create another bun on this side. Again, you take it, you twist it, just like so, root to tip, all the way down to the bottom. If anything starts to unravel, that's fine. You're still going to get the shape that you want. It's more important to keep it on the tip. And you just keep going. Then you wrap it around and continue to twist all the way down to your ends. Then you take 2 bobby pins and then you pin the end down and you crisscross it so it stays in place. Then what I like to do, just to ensure that the curls will have a nice bounce to them and a good hold, I give them a spray. And that's it. Thank you for watching.